Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ali Muhammad Shafi. My roll number is 2311037 Today I will show what are the uses of if and ifs in basic Excel or basic to advanced Excel. The if and ifs formulas are very much important to calculate the financial calculation for a business. So in the simple if formula, we can see the given data is name of persons, the employees uh, who can get new clients, who gets the number of new clients the employees get for the business, and these are the data the employees will get, or whether the employees will get bonus or not. This shows this shows the bonus and no bonus. So we have to use the if formula for this. We have to add some conditions that the whether the employees will get bonus or not. So we can add if the new clients of every employee is plus 20, he will give he will get bonus. So our logical test will be if the first employee's new clients is greater than 20, the greater than or greater than 20, the employee will get bonus. That means yes. If it is not greater than 20 or less than 20, he will get bonus no. That means this is the formula. Whether the employee get bonus or not, we'll simply click enter to get. So we will drag it down, and we will press Ctrl plus D to fill the cells. Our next topic is ifs. We use ifs where when there is more than one conditions. So we can see how much bonus will we have to find how much bonus will uh, every employee will get. So if a employee we can make two conditions. If a employee have new clients greater than 40, he will get 4,000. If an employee's new clients is greater than 20, he will get 1,000. If an employee's new clients is less than 20 or less than 20, he won't get any of bonus. So he will get only his basic wage. So if so we have to write in F3 cell the ifs formula. Ifs means tab, then the logical test 1. So if C3 means Sam's new client is greater than 40, he will get 4,000 bonus, comma. If Sam's clients is greater than or equal 20. So we can say that if a person have new clients equal 20, he will also get 1,000 bonus. That indicates. So the value if true, the person will get 1,000. Come. If the value of C3 is less than 20, he will get none, means zero bonus. So we'll close the bracket and click enter. So we have find um our bonus for Sam. Sam will get only 4,000. Sam will get only 4,000 bonus, and we will drag it down and fill the cells by typing or clicking Ctrl plus D. So we can see how much bonus will every employee get. So next topic is sales commission. This is the data of persons, sales, and sales. We will only see the persons and sales. The sales commission we will be calculating the sales commission with these conditions. There is written that sales commission greater than 1 lakh, he will get 22.5% of sales commission. If the sale is greater than 2 lakhs, the commission will be 5%. If the sales is greater than 500, about 500,000 or 5 lakhs, he will get 7% commission on his sales. So there is so many conditions. We have to use the ifs, equal ifs tab. Logical test 1, ABC sales, if ABC sales is greater than 5 lakhs, he will get um, he will get 7 lakhs into, or his sales into 7%. If his sales is greater than 2 lakhs, he will get 5% commission on his sales into 5%, comma. If his sales is greater than 1 lakh, he will get he will get 2.50% on his sales. If his um, commission, yeah, if his sales is less than or equal 1 lakh, he will get commission. He will get zero commission, zero. So we have to close the bracket and click enter. This is the commission for ABC. Now we have to freeze particular cells to freeze the particular cells to drag down and know every per salesperson's commission. So the B8 is variable and B5 is constant. That means B5 won't change. But the B8 means the salesperson's changes. Different salespersons have different sales amount. So we won't freeze the B8. We will only freeze the other amounts. So make sure that every B8 is free, not freezed. Then we'll click on enter. We will drag the cell down and click CTRL plus D to see whether the how much the salesperson will get commission. These are the commissions every salesperson will get. ABC will get 49,000, BCD will get 2,750, DEF will get no commission for his sales amount. So our next topic is tax. By using ifs formula, we can easily calculate the tax without any calculator. So there are all conditions for tax, and this is the uh, taxable income for client's name and income tax are given. We will just write the formula, Excel formula, to calculate the tax amount in is payable for these clients. So first of all, we will type ifs. Logical test 1. So we will variable. We will click on Hamid's incomeable tax or taxable income as a variable. We will not freeze this cell. if the this Hamid's taxable income is greater than 750, so he will get the 5,000 sum sum of 5,000 and 30,000, comma, for the extent income, then 7 lakhs and 50, he will also get Hamid's taxable income minus the extended tax into 15%. We are calculating the extended tax by this formula. So if the Hamid's income is uh, um, uh, above 750, he will pay 15%, and for up to 750 750,000, he will give only this amount of income tax. So the next logical test is if taxable income is greater than 450 450,000, we will give only this amount plus for extended, we will give the taxable income of Hamid's minus the taxable income into 10%. If the logical test 3 is if the this is greater than 350 lakhs, the person will not give any tax, but for extended, he will give this minus 350 into 5%. If the taxable income is less than or equal, less than or equal 350, less than or equal 350, the person will get 0 as the tax. So this is the formula to find the income tax for every person, and we will click the enter to get the Hamid's income tax. This is the Hamid's income tax. Now we have to freeze by clicking FM plus F4 without E3, without C20, C12. I'm so much sorry, without C12. So C12 is the very above. We will freeze the E3. C12, we will not freeze the C12, but we will freeze the all other cells. Then we have to drag this down, CTRL plus D. So we can see that these are the income tax for these clients. So we can use the income tax formula to find easily the income taxes for clients name. So our next topic is wage sheet or wage. How to find wage with a particular condition. So that is given the normal wage, overtime wage, normal labor hours, and the people's name and people's labor hour wage. So we have to find the wage. So we will use the ifs condition. Ifs and the logical test one will be if the labor hour is greater than 8. So the person will get the normal wage. That means C7 into 25. Sorry, I have made a mistake. Is greater than 8. So the thing will be C7 into 25 plus for extended hours, for extended, no, sorry, 8 into 25. You will get normal labor hours and normal wage. You will get the normal labor hours and normal wage. If it is greater than 8, I have said already that it is greater than 8. You will get the normal wage and normal labor hours wage. And also get the overtime. Also gets the overtime that includes C7 minus 8 into 30. The overtime rate is 30. And if the logical test is if the labor hour is less than 8, less than or equal 8, he will only get he will only get the normal he will only get the normal wage per hour into his labor hour into 25. So we will close the bracket and enter, press the enter. So here we don't have to freeze any item because we have given the data in the numerical numbers. So we'll click enter and drag it down and control D to get the all wages for every labor. So this is from the wage, and we'll go to the utility. Utility means the unit, there will be given username and unit consumed. We will be calculating the bill amount and bill payable. So bill amount and bill payable, we will be calculating. Um, we have to, um, we will have to use the ifs, equal ifs for this. Ifs. Logical test one is there is the conditions. If the unit consumed is greater than or equal. Here is written, it is greater than 600 or equal, the rate is 12. Greater than or equal 600 will give 600 will give the unit consumed into 12. If it is greater than or equal 600. So next, if it is greater than or equal 400, the unit consumed with 10, comma, if it is greater than or equal 200, comma, it will be results as 9. If it is greater than or equal 75, it will show as the unit consumed into 7 taka or 7 rate. If it is less than 75, it is less than 75, will give 0, value 0. So this is the formula to uh, calculate the bill amount. So the bill amount is five 525, and we will select the all rows to drag down ctrl d. Oh my god, ctrl d. I think we have made a mistake. We can use the cells, we can use the cell to use this formula. We should use the cell number. That means instead of using 620, or yeah, we can use the cell number. We have made a small mistake in here, that before means 400. Now the answer will be accurate. Another mistake, we will have to find 612 4000 B3. The B3 includes 200. Sorry, there is another B3. B2 means 75. We will revise the formula. D9 is greater than or equal 600. We will get it, this. Greater than equal, you will get this. Greater than equal. Oh, there is another mistake. You will get D9 means this into 9. So this is the revised formula. I have made a mistake. Now this is, we have the wages, that wages, not bill amount for this unit rate, and this unit consumed for every user. To now we have to uh, calculate the amount including the VAT. We have to we have to um, calculate the amount payable using using the VAT amount. We will choose this into 1 plus the VAT amount. We will just freeze this VAT. This is accurate, or this is constant for every person. Everyone should give the 15% VAT until the. So this is the amount payable for every user. This is the amount payable for every user, and this is the bill amount for every user. So our next topic is and if. So there will be if when we are using and if, we will be there will be similar type of conditions. So for and if, we will use if equal if and together. Then we will give logic. Our there in here our logic will be if this is greater than 20 and rating is greater than 10, 10 not 5, he will get he will get bonus yes, comma, he will get no bonus. It is if the value is false. So we will click the enter and drag it down CTRL-D to fill the cells. So next topic is sum if. Sum if means we we have to um, calculate the criteria's quantity. That means we have to find this criteria's quantity. So using sum if, we will write the sum if function. The range means the product range. Criteria, this is our criteria. And the sum range means quantity range. We'll close the bracket, enter. This is our olive quantity by using sum if. Next to um, uh, we have to use sum ifs because there is two conditions, olives and Spain. The product will olives and it will be the country Spain. So to calculate this, we have to first delete the previous. We have to write equal sum ifs equal sum ifs equal sum ifs. The sum range will be this, comma, the criteria this is the sum range, the criteria one range. This is the criteria one range. Criteria one means olives, comma. Criteria two range is the country range. Then the criteria two means Spain. We'll bracket close the bracket and the answer. This is the quantity of olives in Spain country. This is the average ifs. We will calculate the average piece. This is not sum ifs. This is not sum ifs. This is average ifs. So this formula is like the previous one, just average ifs. Just add the average ifs, then average range. Average range means quantity range, comma, the product range, the criteria one, then the criteria two range means country range, comma, the criteria two Spain, bracket close, enter. This is the average of olives in Spain country. So this is sum ifs, and averages. So next we'll go to the wildcard sum ifs. This indicates the how to find the same thing, olives in Spain country, but we have to find the Spain. We have to minus the previous words and the after words that included in the Spain. So this is called wildcard sum ifs. So we will write the same formula equals sum ifs tab sum range. Sum range means quantity range, comma criteria one range. Criteria one range means product range, comma criteria one, comma criteria two range, comma. Here is the main thing. When we have to select the criteria two, we have to add this thing and criteria two. This means to minus the before words, then Spain. To minus the afterwards, we have to write the same thing uh, after Spain, and we have to click the enter. This is the sum ifs for olives and Spain. So that's all for today. By using if and ifs, we can use this wildcard sum ifs, and ifs, utility, wage, tax, sales commission, simple ifs. There's all calculation we can do easily by using if and ifs formulas. Thank you, everyone.